this is Rutsi here, and today I have a very special video for you because this is my video number 25 and the 25 is my favorite number, so I'm going to show you how to make this cute sakura or cherry blossom nail art design. And actually this is also my favorite flower, so I hope you like it. Please give me a big thumbs up, subscribe and ring the bell button below. Let's go! I started with base coat in all of my nails. Now paint in a small piece of sponge, half with light pink and half with white polish. And tap it all over your nail. Apply 2 coats of this in all your nails. Clean the stains in the skin with nail polish remover. Then add a shimmery polish all over the nails. For the design, paint the 3 branches with dark brown. Remember to make irregular lines. Now, with white polish, paint 1 or 2 5-petals flowers and some tiny dots at the end of each branch. Now paint the center of the flower with light pink polish. And with hot pink polish, add dots at the center of the flowers and at the ends of the branches. Repeat the same steps in the rest of the nails. Add some top coat and you are done! Thank you for watching, guys.